Welcome to Chao on Tour. Today we are in Amsterdam in the Netherlands. Well, this is my first time here in Amsterdam, and there are a few things that I learned about coffee here in the Netherlands. Number one, if you are looking for coffee to drink, you don't go to a coffee shop. A coffee shop here is a place where you smoke weed. Marijuana and cannabis consumption is legal here in Netherlands. If you'd like to get a cup of coffee, then you go to a cafe. Another thing that I learned about cafes here in Amsterdam is that they don't really like you to sit and work there. In fact, I went to one cafe and then I put my laptop, my MacBook, on top of the table, and I was told MacBooks or laptops are not allowed in the cafe. Well, there you go. This is Amsterdam. Today, I'm going to take you to one coffee shop which is run by a one-man owner, one-man show, and it is absolutely amazing to watch him in action. We are going to BRUNO'S Amsterdam. So come and join me. So this is Mr. Bruno. We will get a chance to speak to him in a bit. And for this episode, he is going to show us his special way of making drip coffee. Apparently it is so special, we will all be amazed. I can't wait to see what he has to show us.
Filter system. I make it first wet, this one. Water is 80 degrees, not more. Use a Rwanda coffee, medium roast.
Okay, one.
Yeah. It's 80 gram I use.
What grind? What type of grind? Is it medium, coarse or?
It's coarse.
Coarse grind.
Yeah. Kijk, normally, kijk, this is espresso. Kijk, this is like AeroPress. Kijk, and this is for the filter.
Okay.
Kijk, and what I do is kijk, now I put the water. Kijk, the coffee is extracting here. We help it a little bit.
That is very different.
No, it's not different.
It's not different.
Kijk.
Okay.
Here, see, it's fresh coffee, a lot of extraction.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Yeah. So all the flavors are coming out now.
When you say fresh, how long ago was it roasted?
1 week.
1 week.
Yeah, it's
fresh.
Almost too fresh, but so, kijk hier. Kijk. Look what I'm doing now. Yeah? This one. Here. This one. We put it for the second time.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's beautiful. What's the inspiration for this?
Yeah, someone told me they do it in Colombia, on the coffee farms. Right. I try it. Kijk, and I really like always coffee with a lot of flavors. Right. I don't like low flavored coffee like. So I try it. You taste it yourself. Yeah, look at that, double.
And you don't need to time it, right?
No.
You just feel it.
Yeah. Like in this 80 degrees, and the last thing,
right.
I finish it with 90-95 degrees of water.
Oh, okay, so you're diluting it.
Yeah. That's it.
Do you serve it cold sometimes, or it's always hot?
What?
Do you serve it cold? Never.
For cold coffees, I have the Tiamo, the cold drip.
Oh wow, yeah.
So?
But that takes a long time, right?
Yes.
What's the taste that I should be looking for here?
Yeah, it's Rwanda. It's a typical taste. It's always a little bit of fruitiness, right. A little bit of chocolatey, and it's typical Rwanda. If you drink this coffee and anywhere else you drink coffee and it is Rwanda, you recognize the taste. Okay. It's not very sour, it's not very sweet. It's a little bit in between. It's sometimes just like tea. It's really nice.
Right. Oh. The first sip, it's really, it's almost not like coffee, you're right.
Yeah.
And then you start to taste the fruitiness of it, right? And I'm surprised that there's very little bitterness, not at all actually. It doesn't even taste like coffee, as you said, almost like tea, very, very fruity. Wow.
That's
so
Rwanda?
Rwanda, coffee beans, yeah. Absolutely delicious. I think this is the first time I'm seeing this, so yeah. I might have to travel to Colombia. Is this what they do there? Most of them do this?
No, so some of the farms do that.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. I love it. Thank you.
Thank you.
If ever you are in Amsterdam, do come by here. What is the name of the place again? Please tell us where you are.
BRUNO'S Amsterdam.
BRUNO'S Amsterdam.
Amsterdam, Jordan.
Right, you can Google that, and I really recommend their coffee here. A lot of people have been coming here. We had the cortado; it tasted really good, and also the Americano. But I think the drip coffee is the best, right?
One
of the best. One of the best. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the opportunity to, feature your coffee shop here. That's all I have for today. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of these reviews. Chao on tour here in Amsterdam at Bruno's Cafe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.